Oh, let's do an unboxing. Okay, if you see the Amazon ones, they're like the size of a piece of paper. It is not the same as the Cracker Barrel one. I mean, Ed is 6'1", and you see what the box looks like in his hands. Let's take the plastic off. Very cool. God forbid, I was gonna have Ed get the light out, and the dog has to get right in between what I'm doing. So now let's say hi, everybody. See, it's hot outside. Tell him, see, it's hot outside for a husky. Okay, so Cracker Barrel had this little light. Oh, we'll have to put batteries in it. I figured it came with cheap batteries.
Put right in there.
Yep. Okay, I don't have batteries in it. And then you want to show the box right there. So I got this at Cracker Barrel. They had 4 this morning when they set them out at between 7 and 11 a.m. And they only had one of these little lights, but she was hoping they were going to get more on the truck. I'll show you that later tonight maybe. And it came with a little remote control. But I'm excited. So they had 4 between 7 and 11 when they put all Halloween out today. And they were down to 1, the display, when I walked away with this guy. And some lady had already called them this morning and asked them to hold one for her. So Tiffany, I hope you got your light, or hope you get it before the end of business. Because they'll only hold it for 24 hours, or for 1 day, not even 1 full day, 1 business day. So yeah, the Amazon, sheet of paper one, this one's roughly how much bigger than that?
This is probably about 12 inches tall, with probably 14 inches tall.
Yeah, it doesn't have measurements. 8 inches tall. Yeah, the other one's 8 inches tall. So the ones on Amazon for $19.99 are smaller. Although they have a black one, it'd kind of be fun to have the black one, even if it is smaller. There you go, my unboxing. I'll do maybe a baby video later showing you the lights on it.